Hello, tuni topic due to chapter 5 class 12 continuity and differentiability. Continuity hi definition ga vya hitin na. A function f at x equals to a is said to be continuity if left hand limit equals to right hand limit equals to f of a. Ahile formula to limit of x tending to a, f of x equals to limit of x tending to, let's see here, left hand limit, abanting let's see here, a plus f of x equals to f of a. So here, the formula to what's here? Limit of left hand limit equals to right hand limit equals to function here. Ahile 5.1 question number 1. Prove that the function f of x equals to 5x minus 3 is continuous at x equals to 0, at x equals to minus 3, and x equals to 5. Prove that kitya hele hichilai function pa hi x equals to 0, minus 3, 5 here continuous sana. Hichu ehwa in approve may maya ibol diu. The function f of x to 5x minus 3. At x equals to 0 ay bom na hile at x equals to 0. Chahi f of 0 equals to 5 into 0 minus 3 equals to 5 into 0 to 0. Tala 0 minus 3 to minus 3. Abana chahi at x equals to 0 f of a ahi na. Ala left hand limit. Left hand limit to limit of x tending to a minus x equals to 0. 0 f of x. Left function to 5x minus 3. Limit of x tending to 0 minus 5x minus 3. Let limit to 0 hidden na line negative o umana to 0 to minus na lao de. It's like minus if indicate hamitia hile. The x value tending to 0 pa to coming from left hand side. What's that? Is that to left hand limit kitide. It's left hand limit indicate na may hiyan 0 minus hello de. So 5 into 0 minus 3. So here 0 minus 3 to minus 3. Bana right hand limit. Right hand limit to limit of x tending to 0 plus f of x equals to chahi 0 plus as it to the x value 0 pa so coming from the right hand side. This is right hand limit banti indicated by plus sign. Let limit of x tending to 0 plus 5x minus 3 equals to 5 into 0 minus 3 to 2, 0 minus 3 to minus 3. Ay lalaya hi value to function hi 5x minus 3 ka koi tiza walay min limit talaw PCI lai limit ka koi lo hamita lai x value to lai kaman phana to limit hi koi ngai talaw de hi lai limit nan koya lai x value nan koya let's to answer to di talaw de tiza to x value nan koi de tinga hele limit zona koi talaw ding direct 5 into 0 minus 3 na koi de lai hele lai f of 0 to minus 3 imu pana left hand limit na minus 3 right hand limit na minus 3 ahile continuous condition so ipiham left hand limit equals to right hand limit equals to f of a. So ahile hence f of x equals to right hand limit equals to left hand limit. Therefore, f is continuous at x equals to 0. So x equals to 0 I can prove that na. So x equals to minus 3. At x equals to minus 3, f of minus 3 equals to 5 into minus 3 minus 3. So here, the function is a naman kityo. Value x pa bo sa ikihelding function yang ngay hide. Ahile 5 into 3 minus 15 minus 3 minus 18. Abana left hand limit. Left hand limit to limit of x tending to 3 pi x equals to 3 hiza atulai minus 3 na koiding hichilai minus pi x value apa na Para left hand limit na lai hi minus indicated pa hi de. Hi chi minus pa ki sim lo. E ba left hand limit indicate na may ma ki mang o. Lai chi minus 3 pa hi la x value minus 3 pa. Pa na f of x equals to limit of x tending to minus 3. Aba na function to 5x minus 3. It is to 5 into minus 3 minus 3. Asutya hele minus 18 mama. Pana right hand limit equals to limit of x tending to minus 3 plus. Hilai minus pa hi pizza plus a ki khelo mi tale x value a minus 3 hi za chu ki khel thelo de na. A ki khel de pa bo chu la minus to la plus pa bo ki khel de. F of x equals to limit of x tending to minus 3 function of 5x minus 3 equals to within to minus 18 ide. Ay la function as minus 18, left hand limit as minus 18, right hand limit as minus 18. At still since f of x equals to right hand limit equals to left hand limit, therefore f is continuous at x equals to minus 3. Abana at x equals to 5. At x equals to 5 our function, so f of 5 equals to 5 into 5 minus 3. So here 25 minus 3 to 22. Left hand limit equals to limit of x tending to 5 minus f of x to limit of x tending to 5 minus function to 5x minus 3 heading. I left 5 into 5 minus 3, 22. Muna na ball ito. Ana, right hand limit equals to limit of x tending to 5 plus yung heading f of x equals to limit of x tending to 5 plus 5x minus 3 to 5 into 5 minus 3 to 22. Ay hila function na hila function na zong 22 imu left hand limit azong 22 imu aban pat le right hand limit azong 22. Since f of x equals to right hand limit equals to left hand limit, therefore f is continuous at x equals to 5. That's all. Equation la x equals to 0, x equals to minus 3, x equals to 5. So si ato hit a function he continuously prove sa tawin. So la 5.1 question number 1 answer chan so hitay. Exercise 5.1 question number 2. Examine the continuity of the function f of x equals to 2x squared minus 1 at x equals to 3. His equation he proof agitilo za atu x equals to 3 here life function adding a continuous point in the namti check that proof agitia hila chun chi hi a hisa hita in evanga to examine agitia hile check na may ding hi in tia hile f of x equals to 2x squared minus 1 at x equals to 3. X equals to 3 f of 3 equals to 2 into 3 square minus 1. 9 hindi tayo 9 to r 18 minus 1 to 17. Ahile left hand limit of x tending to 3 minus f of x equals to limit of x tending to 3 minus function to 2x square minus 1. Limit of x tending to 3 minus is ang loading. That's x tending to 3 pa chulaya 3 value na ko ikit na hile 2 into 3 square minus 1 to 17 na 9 to r 18 minus 1 to 17. Right hand limit equals to limit of x tending to 3 plus f of x equals to limit of x tending to 3 plus 2x square minus 1 equals to 2 into 3 square minus 1 lang to 17. Ahile la f of 3 azong 17, left hand limit na azong 17, right hand limit na azong 17. So since f of x equals to right hand limit equals to left hand limit, therefore f of x is continuous at x equals to 3. Question number 2, the function 2x squared minus 1 2 at x equals to 3 are continuous. Question number 2 answer to here tayo. Student, please like and exercise 5.1, question number 3, Roman A. Examine the following functions for continuity. F of x equals to x minus 5. It's like question na hi x value kipita po na. X value kipilawa hile piti bol thay umam. Let x equals to a. A is on the lot thay, C is on the lot thay, B is on the lot thay, D is on the lot thay. Any variables na lot thay na cha here. For B, any arbitrary constant allowed on. As a x equals to a na la ahile lai abanting le lai x tend limit I keep law za piti na bol ham x tending to a minus h na la de on ale h to na limit to h tending to 0 hong de eten also na as it to lai x value keep law ban la limit zong keep law za x equals to a b any arbitrary constant na la over hile x kela ko a minus h na la de as it to h c infinitely small hi za x kela x c less than greater than h sung hi de h to smaller than x hi za h tending to 0 china limit ung hi de ahile f of la x equals to a equals to a minus 5 na ahile left hand limit of x tending to a minus f of x to limit of x tending to chahi a minus h demanding a minus h hiding na function to a minus h x minus 5 mama hiding ebang x kela ko a minus h na koide dale x minus 5 in the lighting la x tending to a minus h pa to a minus h limit of h tending to 0 a minus h minus 5 as it laya him x ho a minus h ang kihelting a hele na limit dong to h tending to 0 ang kihelte ama sa to x limit to x tending to a minus h ki pi to na le ta to x pa to a minus h anan khel phana to na limit to h tending to 0 ang kihelte at tia hele a minus h value to 0 la le minus 5 heading to 2 a minus 5 hele right hand limit equals to limit of x tending to a plus f of x limit of x tending to la hi a minus h hi into to a plus h as it to hi left hand limit hi to a minus h ding plus left and right hand limit lang hitting ale a plus h tale f of function to x minus 5 heading x value to a plus h manding limit of h tending to 0 as it to x value a plus h manding le na limit to h tending to 0 tale a plus h minus 5 ta cho h value nan koi de phana chu limit na koi ngai ta loading a plus 0 minus 5 tale a minus 5 ta cho f of a to a minus 5 na mu abanda limit na zong left hand limit na zong a minus 5 right hand limit na zong a minus 5 since f of a equals to left hand limit equals to right hand limit therefore f of x is continuous at x equals to a la a kila hi pham ta la for any arbitrary constant hong hi de a value to any value na a to any value na la thai de tina hi a question number 3 b f of x equals to 1 by x minus 5 eta hi x does not equals to 5 ale x value to 5 na la thai lo de tina hi a chu ade to 5 na la tinga hi le 1 by 5 minus 5 to 1 by 0 hong hi ta in 1 by 0 to undefined answer ki mo thai lo na la chu la denominator 0 na lo de ja chu x does not equals to 5 te atio a hi le cha zong hi let x equals to a b any arbitrary constant na la a hi le Stia le chun left hand limit na chu left hand limit na x tending to a minus h ding x value a minus h na la ting le na limit to h tending to 0 hi dia le right hand limit na chu x tending to a plus h na la ding sta le h value na limit to h tending to 0 hi dia to hin function f of a adi to x equals to a na la ja chu f of a equals to 1 by a minus 5 left hand limit limit of x tending to a minus h as it to left hand limit to a minus h here na here function the limit of x tending to a minus h ding function to 1 by x minus 5 ahile x pa to a minus h naman tinga hele limit to h tending to 0 ja to 1 by a minus h minus 5 hele h value 0 naman tinga hele 1 by a minus 0 minus 5 to 1 by a minus 5 pana right hand limit limit of x tending to a plus h f of x equals to limit of x tending to a plus h 1 by x minus 5 equals to limit of h tending to 0 as it to la x value a plus h naman tinga hele limit to h sana hialde hele 1 by a plus h minus 5 h value 0 nan mana hele 1 divided by a minus 5 la imu theu chu piham function f of a equals to 1 minus a by a minus 5 na limit na zong left hand limit na zong a minus 5 right hand limit na za 1 by a minus 5 achutia le lai chi function hi chalaya function by at x equals to a chu continuous function hi de since f of a equals to left hand limit equals to right hand limit therefore function is continuous at x equals to a. Question number 3, Roman number B, answer. Exercise 5.1, question number 3, C. F of x equals to x squared minus 25 divided by x plus 5. Let's see like function x squared minus 25 by here. A squared minus b squared. As is 25 go 5 squared here na. So let f x equals to x squared minus 5 squared divided by x plus 5. A squared minus b squared formula to a plus b, a minus b. X minus 5, x plus 5 divided by x plus 5. X plus 5 to x plus 5 we cancel here. We cancel x minus 5. Equation na to x value akipit law sa ato x equals to a to arbitrary constant na latin na. Let x equals to a for any arbitrary constant. X equals to a na lata function natin na to left hand limit natin nga here x tending to a minus h na lata to as to left hand limit na hile lai minus ong hiding x tending to a minus h na lating le limit to h tending to 0 hide right hand limit na zong hi x tending to a plus h hile h value to limit to h tending to 0 so f of x equals to x minus 5 x equals to a f of a equals to a minus 5 the function hide na ahile left hand limit of x tending to a minus h function hiding limit of x tending to a minus h is a what to h tending to 0 so h tending to 0 hiding x value to a minus h minus 5 which is a function to x minus 5 here na leto to x to a minus h equal to a minus h na equal tinga hile na limit to h tending to 0 hong hide hile la h pa to 0 value nan ko tinga hile a minus 0 minus 5 to a minus 5 hide mana right hand limit of x tending to a plus h f of x equals to limit of lai x value a plus h na koi ke ding a plus h na sa atinga hile limit of h tending to 0 hong hide h tending to 0 hile function to a plus h minus 5 hiding lai h value na koi tinga hile a plus 0 minus 5 to a minus 5 to x equals to a na la tinga hile function to f of a equals to a minus 5 left hand limit down to a minus 5 right hand limit now down to a minus 5. That means f of x equals to left hand limit equals to right hand limit. Since f of x equals to left hand limit equals to right hand limit, therefore function is continuous at x equals to a. Nghe thế nào chứ nào? That's a function to x squared minus 25 divided by x plus 5 and see direct nga x naman wa hile x value naman wa la chu cha function a chom na coding hita na cha chu la x squared minus 25 pa hun tham khat function pa hi na reduce de simplification a bol deu f of x equals to x minus 5 ahung cheating a hile x value pa ko a to arbitrary constant and la dio arbitrary constant and la tinga left hand limit to x tending to a minus h ngaji to left hand limit na hiza to minus ung chiding x to a minus h manting le limit to h tending to 0 hong ki khal da ta chita banga to right hand limit na jang to x tending to a plus h hitting le h pa to tending to 0 hong chi de ai la to checking the ball do na f of x to function to x minus 5 a value na manting la a minus 5 so the left hand limit na jang to a minus 5 right hand limit na jang a minus 5 to the function to left hand limit to right hand limit equals to function is continuous at x equals to a. Question number 3 C answer chan cho hite. Question number 3 exercise 5.1 D f of x equals to mod of x minus 5 hija hi mod a hung umin mod a hi mod of x equals to la example khalau ta mod x a hi chi mod an hondo ti tinga le it can be mod masanga x value pa it can be plus or minus x a hi ding hi na a hi le tu bang chun minus x ti te mod chu la x value pa chu mod hi masanga minus x a hi ding a hi le it will be x is less than 0 ale aje chu 0 sanga ahun yo zo denga negative la hi de za chu x value chu negative ding a hi le positive x it will be x greater than or equals to 0 hide nale that's a mod of x to a condition to minus x is less than 0 plus x is greater than or equals to 0 hele hichita banga chu chilaya x minus 5 jang chu iman dinga hele la x ke la ko mod of x minus 5 na manding ahile la x ke la ko minus positive pa masaut o positive pa here positive of x minus 5 na la ahile la x ke la jang to x minus 5 na koi getting x minus 5 greater than or equals to 0 na abana negative a ko la negative minus x minus 5 hong heading x minus 5 less than 0 at stile la here x minus 5 if your x is minus 5 pa so lang na transfer ahile x is greater than or equals to 5 thathin also na hilai x greater than or equals to 0 pa chu to hi function hi x khela x minus 5 mu na hi x minus 5 pa chu la x na khela la x minus 5 9 kwai ding chi next step ma chu minus 5 by 0 lang na transfer ting ahile plus 5 ong hide bana minus silai bracket an hando ale minus x heading minus plus abana 5 ahile lai minus 5 down to 0 langa na transfer kiting ale x is less than 0 achile chilai hina function hoita cho chi hina function heading if x is greater than or equals to 5 the x value to x equals to 5 itela function f of x would be naman ham x minus 5 ahile x greater than 0 to be say na ham positive sunale positive a hiding ahile right hand limit ang hiding ahile right hand limit at x equals to 5 right hand limit na hiti tinga hele function zong chu x minus 5 chi pai naman de abana chilai x less than 0 hai za chu left hand limit na naman ding at x equals to 5 left hand limit na hiti nga hele na function chu 5 minus x chi pai naman de acha tile tu indirect in chi hi zing wo ta zi chulai chi pa hi ega vel zi kinai le hung sau de hi tai na chi hi an het tho u ve lang hi chulai pa zo hi chi pa bu se hla do te tile function to f of x equals to mod of x minus 5 kela x minus 5 if x is greater than or equals to 5 abana minus elo le 5 minus x in koi ute la minus x plus 5 to 5 minus x ke bang ve I let 5 minus x to if your x is less than 0 na I let to chu hela hi chi greater equals to sign omena chi he tale x equals to 5 tina tale at x equals to 5 at x equals to 5 function f of 5 to si x minus 5 naman de as it to x equals to 5 pa so function chi hi na chi hi tale x minus 5 to 5 minus 5 equals to 0 bana left hand limit to p he katiam anjawa chu x less than 0 x less than 0 hitting a hele left hand limit a hele left hand limit na chu limit of x tending to 5 minus function mo hidena abana function to 5 minus x pa hide as it to sorry to here 5 so hide x less than 5 ahiza achu negative fungchi ta chu negative achi dis achu left hand limit na pa so na function to 5 minus x the limit of x tending to 5 minus x x value 5 nan kwai tinga hele 5 minus 5 to 0 banam right hand limit of x tending to 5 plus function ahile right hand limit na function so it's been the ham x greater than 5 x greater than 5 pa chu right hand limit na hiza chu function naman de chu x minus 5 chapayong hide silai na function ten ni here khachi hi left hand limit na chi right hand limit na hi chi right hand limit na chu anza wa jong function na imango ven na hi chi hi pizza ni na iman tha hamitia hi le condition na chu x greater than 5 to x equals to 5 ania azaw ko bzi a chu function na to right hand limit na function ng kibangkha right hand limit na pa to limit of x tending to 5 plus f of x to x minus 5 x value to 5 nan kwai tinga 5 minus 5 to 0 hong hide to chu function na zong 0 imu left hand limit na zong 0 imu right hand limit na zong 0 imu achuti le cha ko na pi sai thai mu thai chu pi hamitia hile since f of x equals to left hand limit equals to right hand limit therefore function is continuous at x equals to 5 theo chu na le ta chu mod na ko na chu chilai mo na le chi mod chi function cho chi mod function na ko na x value x minus 5 anan khalding he chi x minus 5 a ko na function cho chi a condition nang manan ki do thu de that x greater than equals to 5 x less than 5 he chi here right hand limit na to function na man de na function to x minus 5 left hand limit na function to 5 minus x abon to kya 0 imu abon to answer ke ba za achu his function to continuous at x equals to 5 kiti question number 3 d answer chan chu hite